Oh, I didn't see you there. I guess you're out here for a walk too. Well, you could join me if you want. This might sound weird, but I actually enjoy the rain. I guess it's like a nice shower, but it's more natural and calming. You feel every drop sink in, and it clears your mind. Aw, isn't that cute? You see the bunny right there? With its big bright eyes and fur that makes you want to go up and pet it? You know what my favorite part about the rain is? The rainbow! Thanks for walking with me. Maybe we'll meet again someday, but until then, take care.